All right, cool. I like it. All right, come on in. Sorry.
Oh no, that's gonna be in the video.
What? Yeah. Not all of it. Some of it. All right, hey everybody. I'm Caleb.
I'm Nick.
And welcome to Tool Time Tuesday. And we have a couple of projects that we're doing. One of them actually is already done. We pretty much had to stock up on wood for all the fires we've been having, and we found a really good deal at a local camp, supported the campground, and unfortunately today was the day that the governor said that summer camps are actually going to be shut down for this summer, which kind of sucks. So it was kind of nice to donate some money and help go towards the camp, so that was pretty cool. For our second project, we're going to have a two-part series on the Toolbox. So why don't you tell them a little bit about the Toolbox project?
Yep, so we picked up this red snap-on toolbox a few weeks back. We already added a handle onto it, and now we're going to build a side tray that folds on the left side of it.
Yeah.
So we're going to fabricate that, and then
part two, we're going to be painting that. So stay tuned for that. Haven't seen many YouTube videos on this particular thing. It is a little bit of a niche, but it could be just the thing that somebody's looking for. So let's get into that. So first step is done. The angle iron has just been cut and we notched it. So we're gonna weld that together and then weld in a couple of notches on the side of the box so that we can mount it and it can pivot up and down. So we cleaned up the edges here, and as you can see, this is one side. We notched it here. This fits in there like that. Boop. And then we notched this one here. That one's gonna go in there. Boop. And that's gonna get welded together. But Nick was showing me this device that helps kind of keep things from warping. So how does this kind of work in here?
There we go. It's gonna help you make a perfect 90-degree angle.
And it doesn't like shift around.
Yeah.
At least that's the idea.
It'll hold it in place, and then you can give it a little tack weld. There we go. Yep. Clamp it in there. You could use magnets, you could just eyeball it. There's a lot of things you could do, but we're going to try this.
Oh, hold on. I think this didn't catch. That's going to go down a little bit. Use like your ring finger. Oh, no. We're good.
We're good.
Nice. All right. Sweet.
It is.
I like it.
Yeah, actually, that's pretty nice.
The can-do clamp. Okay, so where we're at is we just welded this up and cleaned up some of the globs of weld here on the inside because we're going to be putting a piece of wood on the inside, so we didn't want the globs of the weld to get in the way, so we kind of flattened those down. We're going to mark it up onto the box here, which has already been acetoned. Actually, that's another video. I shouldn't have said that. Side quest! We got the bar on. So it looks pretty good. There's too much silver in the front end. So what I'm gonna do is, at some point, we're gonna change the silver over to black along with the grill. And yeah, but the bar came out really nice. Looking pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna actually stop the video at this point here. We did a lot of design work, a little bit more design work than we thought we were gonna have to, but that's just kind of how it goes. I mean, there's nothing to really go on. This is pretty original, but we did cut out the frame, we notched it, we cleaned it up, we welded it, we drilled it out. We're kind of brainstorming how the best way to incorporate the kickstand. We made a 3D model, and it's just getting a little late. So part 2 is going to be coming out next week, and we're going to continue on with this. We'll get the wood in there, and we'll figure out the kickstand situation, and then we're also going to be painting as well. So like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next Tool Time Tuesday.